Mactech Australia for world-class on-site machining solutions.
Hi, I'm Joel Wittenbreaker, the president of Mactech. Background on our business is we date back to 1974 when it was a one-person distributor for some heat treating equipment. Since that time, over the last 40 years, we've grown to 90 plus employees, 4 offices in the United States, a division in Australia, operations in the Middle East and the UK. We invest hugely into this business. We own hundreds of tools, millions of dollars worth of gear that we keep in top shape, ready to go to work anytime, anywhere. We welcome challenges. That's the basis of what we do around here. Our business is sorting out what needs doing in a difficult situation in situ for an industrial client. We really want the customers to really be excited when we show up, when we're going to look good, we're going to feel good, and we're going to walk out the door and they're going to be really glad that they called us.
This has been another Mactech Australia on-site machining solutions video.